I am turning this 2020 Supra into this. Welcome to episode 2 of Render2Reality, where we get to start modifying this car in the Carmaspeed garage. The fun part begins. We're gonna start with the part of the car that just absolutely kills me. These. What are we, a clown car? Come on, what were we thinking for the launch edition? The only thing that it has going for it is that the calipers match the mirrors, but hear me out. This is the problem. The color difference of the interior just makes it look like a clown red now. Doesn't look like elegant. So these gotta go. If you're new to Supras, the other thing we're gonna fix is right here, wind travels through when you have the windows down into the cab too much, and it creates buffeting. I don't know why I don't like that word. And it just, the air pressure is like, it's horrendous. If you hear people talk about it and then you get one and you drive it, you're like, you can't even go above like 25 with the windows down in this car. It's so frustrating. So we're gonna fix that with a wind foil right here that will divert the air around the window. And that'll be the perfect touch for beginner modifications for the Supra. Some ceramic coating I found that I hope is good because we have the carbon mirrors in here, M style. Wind foils from AWE. AWE is starting to make cool stuff outside of exhaust, so I'm excited about this. Then we have a OBD2 connector for our phone for beamer code. Ooh, these are gonna look sick. They even have a blow pop with the wind foils. If you didn't know, they always have that in their exhaust. Whoa, these are kind of cool looking. They're super minimal. Oh, sweet. I love their packaging. QR code for instructions, but we're gonna show you how. 3M adhesive. We got the Keys Motorsports OBD. Car Pro C quartz, ceramic quartz paint protection. Really quick, if you enjoy working on the garage with me, you want to check out the Carmaspeed Community, there's an invitation link. This is a formal invitation. Click it, sign up, no cost. You guys can DM each other, DM me, talking to you, a lot of you in there. You can host events in your area, you can ask questions or put your knowledge that you have to use and answer a question that someone else may have. We're all about building confidence in the garage here at Carmaspeed. So help us grow the Carmaspeed Community, get it to its first 1,000 members. It's where I'm having my best conversations with people like yourself on the other side of the screen. So introduce yourself, hit me up, shoot me a DM, put a post for everyone else to see. It's a cool platform. You can have an app on your phone. The Carmaspeed Community is where I'm spending most of my true social time with you on the other side of the screen. And I'm really stoked on it. And my goal is to share this platform with you so you have access to everyone in this community. Just all good vibes, positive people. Back to the episode. We're getting ready to get started on the mirror, but if you don't use these gloves, I have them linked in the description. You absolutely should. They're amazing. Keeps things clean and fresh. So it's gonna be crazy, but I'm gonna push the mirror down so I can grab a corner. And I'm gonna pry nicely until this comes out. And it's just gonna chill here. Now I can access all these tabs and they happen to be red. I love this tool. Look at the tip on that thing. It's just beautiful for plastic clips. They're O-ring seal tools. I'm gonna pull on the top towards me with my fingers slightly, just ever so slightly, and start pushing in each red tab carefully. You can pull the mirror out if you want, like I just did. You got the crack on top plastic pry tool. If you don't have a kit, you're missing out. I'll leave that linked in the description, of course. So I'm gonna put it on top. I'm gonna twist this left and right as I hit the prongs. That one's easy by hand. I think it might want to come out now. There we go. So on the inside, you've got the one up here, black, red, red. It's 3. They're actually pretty easy to get your fingers on, but it's sometimes hard to get them started. You have to do these weird things with you know, putting the rag up here to get in this crevice, to twist sideways. It just helps. If there couldn't be a computer, one more place, huh? Out with the old, in with the new. We've got a hole here, and a little hole over here to line things up with. You wanna make sure you get everything seated where it wants to be and don't force it. So as I kind of follow things into the holes, I'm looking for my 3 spots to be lined up. Looks like I needed to go a little bit lower. This one won't clip in all the way because the carbon fiber won't flex, but when I'm looking at it from over here, everything's lined up as much as it can be. And we're good. First look, so much better. Look at the difference. Huh. Just like the render from the front. OCD going crazy. So carefully, so carefully. Man, this one is really tight. Okay, all 3 prongs are pressed in. You'll see if you do this. I just need to get the whole thing off. There we go. Whew, that one was tougher. If I could go back in time right now, when this is on, put a ton of pressure with the outside thumb. Keep the mirror pushed out. Put a ton of pressure, and then with your other hand, clip with your fingers, clip, 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 push, push, push. Get on the other side, and then just pry and pull until it pops off. These 2 middle ones don't clip in perfect, but this outer one does. As long as you have that, then you're okay. I love how you can see like that little like spike on the inside. Love it. That's proper. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is vital. Straight up Batmobile now. Oh, woo-hoo. So fire. These are like the little things that you're just glad the car's part BMW. Fight me if you disagree. Oof. The car in general just looks so much better without that loud red piece. It just looks so much more stealth, and wait till we get the PPF on it. These cars are sick. They're so aesthetically pleasing. That didn't go as planned. The plan is the wind foils, then we'll ceramic coat, then we'll do coating. I'm gonna do the work for us, but scan their QR code, see what we're working with. I got this. There is a little finesse. Clean the spot real quick. I got that exactly where I want it. So what they say is this backside needs to be directly in line and flush, and then you're gonna sink the back end down here first and then press in. That adhesive is no joke. Cool. We got some serious aerodynamics going on right here. Passenger side on. Sweet. Let's go ahead and take a drive and talk about the wind buffeting. Always start up in sport mode. A little extra volume coming in the next episode. Something that is cool is you can see the AWE logo from the driver's seat just barely. Look at those mirrors. This is right about now when things would just get absolutely out of control, wind buffeting. But we're cruising 60 miles an hour and it's just normal wind noise. None of the type of wind noise that hurts your ears. And it will be consistent like this all the way up to 90 plus miles an hour. So these are awesome. The thing with ceramic coating is you do not want to get it on your hands. Make sure you use gloves. Make sure what you are about to coat is squeaky clean. Applicator, rag, which this is nice to have. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Safety lock, push down, check. A little bit goes a long way, but this should do me right. I'm gonna let that gas for a second. There's plenty on here, so I'm gonna go run over and do the other side. Now I'm gonna come back and level it all off so that it has an even shine. And it doesn't have any like rainbow waves in the clear reflections, because that's when it's uneven. That's perfect. Done. If you enjoyed the Supra content, you don't want to miss any episode, so I'll have the first episode right here. We got started modifying it, so if you missed the process of going and picking this car, go get caught up and then look out for the next episodes that are coming out soon. Hit the subscribe button, notifications on. Appreciate you stopping by. See you over here.